In order for you to withdraw from a view only or recover your lost wallet seed phrase from using the public address, what you have to do is, first of all, this is how, when you lost your seed phrase and you already have the public address, this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is a public address with a lost seed phrase or a view only wallet. Yes, so this is how it looks like. If you have a view only wallet or you don't have your seed phrase and you have lost and you only have the public address and you load, this how it will come as a view only wallet. So how to withdraw is, check the description and message me. When you message me, go straight to the point that you want to withdraw. We use this application to withdraw or retrieve the lost seed phrase or withdraw from a view only wallet. So when you log in, so just check the description and message me. Just go to the point that you want to buy this Bexchange app and its logins, and after purchasing it, I will show you the steps that you will use to recover your lost seed phrase or withdraw from a view only wallet. So this is the view only wallet address or the public address. Yes, you can transfer 200,000. Reference code. Okay, this is a reference code for this withdrawal, and the Momo number for this withdrawal is then you repeat. So if you come here, this goes to the point that you want to buy the Bexchange app and logins and the Momo number 2. So that's what we use to withdraw. If you have a view only wallet or lost a seed phrase and you want to repeat the Momo number here, or if you want to withdraw to bank 2, you can use your bank details. Same here. Same here. And we are done. So the funds will get transferred to your own account or your bank. If you want to withdraw to crypto or Binance or anything, I will link it for you. Then when you withdraw it, to move to your Binance or anywhere of your choice. So this is how you are going to retrieve your lost funds in your lost seed phrase. Yes, using the public address. Yeah, the public address. Yes, if you have the address, this is how you just use the public address to retrieve all your funds. Or also, if you have a view only wallet and you want to withdraw, it's the same process. So just message me check the description, message me now, and let's start the process. It's very simple. Thank you.